Kevin Callahan. I'm a Agile coach.
So Kevin and I are talking about the Agile Coaching Competency Framework and what his reaction or insight or whatever was when you first saw it.
The thing I think that really clicked for me was that I took the course because I knew I was weak in professional coaching. I didn't really know what that was. And I felt like as an Agilist, I was a Scrum Master at the time, and I was calling myself an Agile coach, but I didn't really know what that meant.
Yeah.
And so, and I felt pretty good coverage in the rest of it. And so seeing the model and getting training in the professional coaching piece, it really felt like a piece of my professional career really clicked in.
So you were telling me that you've used this since. In what ways?
Yeah. So for myself, as I've been evolving in my professional work, especially away from the technical piece, it's really helped me assess where our organization needs strength.
Would you color into yourself? Like kind of where you are
where I am
today and where you're trying to grow to tomorrow and stuff like that?
So use orange for yellow.
Sure.
So technical mastery at this point, I mean, I've let that go. My knowledge, my mastery is expiring and expired, and that's okay.
So you're willing to say, let that one go for now. Can't be a master of all of it. So
business mastery, I would say if I had yellow, I'd go yellow, but this is orange. Again, I mean, I know enough to talk the business speak and you know, get value driven. But again, I'm not a business.
It's not your focus.
No. This is where the juice is for me. And again, you know, having it broke down in this way, I can accept where I'm limited and move away from that and really focus on the stuff that is important.
It also allows you to pair with other coaches. So if what's needed at the moment is business or technical mastery, you can find someone else.
Yeah, and we did just that.
Yeah, really?
So, we have an engineering manager that moved into the role, and it was really easy to support him because
you're like,
I'm weak in that.
Here's my thing and here's your thing.
And it freed me up to focus on the work.
Isn't that great that you can create a partnership and then not have to be worried about it all? Cool.
It was really nice.
So how else have you used it?
How else have I used it? It's a good. I use it just as a mental framework as I approach a group or an individual to ask what is needed. And kind of what mode, where do I need to come from
so
with
it's you
this?
like standing in the center here asking that question. Or
Ideally, and kind of being able to respond, and even in what I would say is a coaching session, an agile coaching session, it might start as a professional coaching session, but then it's going to zip around as needed, and it helps to kind of have a map internally that I can just track where am I going.
Well, this isn't a rhetorical question, it's different for every person. So what is the importance for you of being able to separate these things and be intentional about what you're doing when?
I would say that for me, each of these, I will come from a different place, depending on what I'm doing. And it helps me to ground and be balanced in the most effective place to drive that value. Well, certainly as a professional, someone who's wanting to continue to evolve and continue to grow, it was a really, again, it was a powerful thing for me to assess where have I been, where am I now, and where do I want to go, and just have a lot more clarity and take some really solid, intention and some really solid steps, like what do I need to do in the next 6 months or the next 12 months to get there.
Right.
So, thank you.
This was Kevin Callahan, Agile Coach.